7 must-try fruits. Good for the heart. Keeping your heart healthy is very important for your overall well-being, especially since heart disease is common. Eating these 7 must-try fruits. Good for the heart can really help lower the risk of heart disease and improve your cardiovascular health. In addition to benefiting heart health, incorporating these varieties of fruits into your daily meals can also have positive effects on your overall health and well-being. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Combat Heart Disease and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. And stick around to find out how to get 2 heart health free gifts. We guarantee both you and your heart will love them. Let's get started. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries have rightfully earned the title of superfoods due to their exceptional health benefits. Their high content of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, plays a crucial role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, blueberries contribute significantly to heart health and overall well-being. These small yet mighty berries are known to lower blood pressure, enhance blood vessel function, and decrease the risk of heart attack and stroke. In addition to their heart protective properties, blueberries are also low in calories and fat, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Whether enjoyed fresh or frozen, blueberries can be a delicious addition to various dishes such as smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Their versatility and nutritional value make them a valuable component of a balanced and wholesome diet. But what about another vibrant berry that's just as sweet and heart healthy? Let's find out in the next one. In number 6, strawberries. Strawberries are not only visually appealing and sweet, but also offer numerous benefits for heart health. Rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, strawberries play a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. The fiber content in strawberries aids in regulating cholesterol levels and promoting healthy digestion. In addition to these benefits, strawberries are a valuable source of folate, which helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to an increased risk of heart disease. They also contain a range of flavonoids, such as quercetin and kaempferol, which have been associated with reduced inflammation and improved endothelial function, crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Furthermore, strawberries are rich in antioxidants like ellagic acid, known for its ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby offering additional protection to the cardiovascular system. Incorporating strawberries into your diet can be as simple as enjoying them fresh, mixing them into your breakfast cereal, or blending them into nutritious smoothies. By adding strawberries to your meals, you not only enhance the flavor, but also promote heart health in a delicious way. Up next is another citrus fruit waiting to shine. Number 5, oranges. Oranges are renowned for their abundant vitamin C content, a crucial nutrient for maintaining heart health. Vitamin C plays a vital role in fortifying blood vessels, enhancing blood circulation, and reducing blood pressure, thereby alleviating the workload on the heart. Regular consumption of oranges can significantly decrease the likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, the potassium present in oranges is instrumental in regulating optimal blood pressure levels. While freshly squeezed orange juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, it lacks the fiber content found in whole oranges. It is advisable to consume orange juice in moderation due to its natural sugar content. Incorporating whole oranges into your diet ensures you benefit from both the nutrients and fiber they provide, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Up next on the list is a crisp and crunchy favorite that comes with its own set of heart-boosting benefits. Number 4, apples. The saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," is particularly apt when it comes to heart health. Apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. This soluble fiber, notably pectin, binds to cholesterol in the gut and helps prevent it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. In addition to their fiber content, apples contain a variety of beneficial compounds, including flavonoids, such as quercetin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These flavonoids contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, apples are rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to support blood vessel function and enhance overall heart health. Apples also have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower, more gradual increase in blood sugar levels compared to other fruits. This can help with blood sugar management and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Eating an apple every day is not only a convenient way to boost your fiber intake, but also a simple and effective strategy to support heart health. Whether enjoyed fresh, sliced in salads, or baked into healthy dishes, apples offer a versatile and delicious addition to a heart-healthy diet. These 7 fruits are often hailed as heart heroes due to their powerful nutrients and antioxidants. They help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. However, even these natural powerhouses can pose a risk when consumed in excess. While the fiber in fruits slows down sugar absorption, some fruits, particularly grapes, apples, and pomegranates, are naturally high in sugars like fructose. When eaten in large quantities, the sugars can build up, leading to spikes in blood sugar levels. This is especially concerning for individuals managing conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance, as these spikes can cause energy crashes, weight gain, and even increase the risk of heart complications over time. The conflict lies in the fine line between using these fruits to fortify heart health and inadvertently undermining that goal by overindulgence. While blueberries, strawberries, and avocados are lower in sugar and provide balanced heart health benefits, others like grapes and apples, despite their advantages, can become problematic if not consumed mindfully. That said, when eaten in moderation, these 7 fruits are incredibly beneficial for your heart. So, let's get back to our list and dive into how each of these fruits can help you nurture and protect your heart. Number 3. Grapes. Red grapes, in particular, are known for their abundance of resveratrol, a potent antioxidant primarily found in their skins. This compound is beneficial for heart health, as it aids in reducing inflammation, enhancing blood circulation, and shielding blood vessels from damage. Studies have indicated that incorporating grapes into your regular diet may decrease the risk of heart failure and promote optimal heart function. The antioxidants present in grapes play a role in lowering blood pressure levels and diminishing oxidative stress within the body. Whether consumed fresh, as juice, or dried as raisins, grapes offer a delicious way to support cardiovascular wellness. By including grapes in your meals or snacks, you not only add flavor but also provide your heart with essential health benefits. Coming right up, a fruit that's not only heart healthy, but also a powerful weapon against cholesterol. Let's find out. Number 2, pomegranates. Pomegranates are not just a delicious fruit, but also a powerhouse of health benefits due to their rich antioxidant content, particularly polyphenols. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the heart by reducing blood pressure, inflammation, and preventing the accumulation of plaque in the arteries. A study published in Clinical Nutrition found that daily consumption of pomegranate juice significantly reduced systolic blood pressure and improved markers of cardiovascular health, further solidifying its heart protective properties. Research also indicates that regular consumption of pomegranates can enhance blood circulation and decrease the likelihood of heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidants present in pomegranates inhibit the oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, further lowering the risk of heart ailments. There are various ways to incorporate pomegranates into your diet to reap their health advantages. Whether consumed fresh, as juice, or added to salads and yogurt, pomegranate seeds not only enhance the taste of your meals, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Before we unveil our number 1 fruit, let's pause for anticipation. To support you in fighting heart disease more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 2 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 7 Foods That Clean Arteries and Prevent Heart Attacks. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouthwatering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood pressure levels. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, The Shocking Cause of Cardiovascular Disease and What You Should Do Starting Today. This innovative approach, the ancient signaling molecule found in our ancestors, offers a potential paradigm shift in how the nectar of gods can help restore it for optimal heart health. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 fruit that stands as a pillar in the 7 must-try fruits. Good for the heart. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados stand out from typical fruits due to their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats play a crucial role in reducing LDL cholesterol levels and increasing HDL cholesterol, promoting a balanced cholesterol profile and lowering the risk of heart disease. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that consuming 1 avocado daily as part of a moderate fat diet significantly reduced LDL cholesterol in individuals who were overweight or obese, highlighting the heart protective benefits of this fruit. The heart-healthy benefits of avocados extend beyond their monounsaturated fats. In addition to helping lower LDL cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes, avocados are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports optimal blood circulation. Their high-fiber content also promotes feelings of fullness, aids digestion, and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Incorporating avocados into your diet is simple and versatile. You can enjoy them sliced on salads, mashed into sandwiches, or prepared as guacamole. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a nutritious choice for supporting heart health. So there you have it, 7 must-try fruits. Good for the heart. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits have you tried? Do you have any favorites that we didn't cover? If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Combat Heart Disease, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get instant notifications whenever we upload new videos. And to those considering showing extra support, the Super Thanks feature is a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 2 exclusive free gift links in the description below. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.